bad me up. That's why I call the name. Two reasons I not top calling him Swisslee. You're link with World Lag, and World Lag I link with shit in a plate squash. So I not top calling the name. I go bring it down. If all the way, I talk on the business. And I try instigate me. All the dirty stinking vlog of them. We are try instigate me, but me and squash shoot out. No go so. Oh, I lie them, I tell people. That never would happen. Me hide. Oh. That never hear from me and a man in a like kind of situation there. The people will never hear that. Oh. Me not play me. Yeah, Swisslee call me and threaten me paper. I be that paper, Swisslee call me and threaten me. If my big system come down for me. Man and Marvel call me, they say, what me if you come off a Swisslee name, cause me and mash up your money. If you want me to come off your name, you have to stop your shit and play thing them where you are going with. You can't go with shit and play thing them and expect me to come off your name. Stop the shit in a plate and me come off your name. Two things you have to do for me come off your name. Stop, go mind your youth. Go mind your youth and me top call your name Swisslee. Go mind your youth. Me no care about you want. Go just go mind your youth. You see me? Go mind your youth Swisslee. Shit in a plate Swisslee. Me make on your voice note with Swisslee. Somebody, the moderator say me not play. Come off of my name, dirty Jamaican people. Leave me alone, shit in a plate. Me no like, you know. Dark shit. Me no like, you know, leave me alone. You love me. What me do, no? Tell me now. Should me talk on the business? Eh? You never want me talk? Eh? You never want me talk? Eh? Alright, me go top talk. That would never happen. Me not top talk. Me not top talk. Me not top. Me not top talk. On paper, you not say play. Till moderator say me not play. You see me? You have to send me a line and I play voice note. Not everyone in front, I go suck on about that. Paper, Swisslee call me and threaten me. And I lie, me I tell people, me I tell lie. Swisslee call me and threaten me, paper. Swisslee call me and threaten me, call big system for me. Much man. You see me? Man, all text me on TikTok, get me number, give man. They try to threaten me, be a system, I come down for me. You see me? Squash them, I make me run much program for me, I threaten me. Squash mama, they threaten me. They say, what they go do? Be a people as threaten me paper. I be a thing I go on. Be a system I come down for me. You see me? What me not done? Remember say me head mad. Me not done. Let me tell you something. Me not top cost to the business. You could have deal. You could me say me paper. I be a me I tell you I found something when me I go through. You see me? But me not done same way. So something me I go through with the drunk of them. You see me paper? Them a threaten me. Them a set man for me. Be a thing I go on paper. Me not tell lie. You see me? Be a thing I go on, them a call me informer, and them a informer. Look on the boy them from Rosite to call me informer, and them a informer. And them a big informer. Eh? How me be informer if you talk on the business? On the why people no send a destruction. I firm out tell you boy. Bro, me not did RT boss setting up paper. You see RT boss, me not deal with him yet. Me just wait till New Year. Paper, remember I know. RT boss said me go analyze before New Year. So if you have New Year come and nothing do me, RT boss look pucker when you have a go on fake. So you better pray to God say something to me before New Year. Because if New Year come and nothing do me, RT boss, you better lock down that other career the way you have. Right now, RT boss, I see today how much? Today I 27. So you have 3 more days to work up your science. RT boss, you have 3 more days to work your science. So you have 3 days come and nothing do me. 3, let me tell you, 28, 30, 28, what, 28, 29, 30, 28. How much do you paper? 28, 29, yeah. 30, 31. 4 more the RT boss. You have 4 more to prove your science. You have 4 more to prove RT boss. You better pray to God, you. I don't know what kind of God you serve, you. Or what kind of poker you have a galang. You have 4 more to prove your science. You better make sure say something to me before 4 days. If New Year come out and know me RT boss, your science you have a work fake. So paper, screen record this and send you out there. RT boss say, in predict say, if 4 days come, if New Year 2025 now come and nothing do me. Or something not do me. So your RT boss, you better prove your science to the world. Because 5,000 people there want to see you prove your science. Dirty drunker. Because you want to look a dirty pucker boy. You look a pucker. Little puck your Pastor Smith. Hey, batty boy RT boss. Me tell this a drunker. Look a boy, me tell this a waste man so good RT boss. Look a boy, look a waste boy RT boss. Big old cruff. Come on for my name, top call my name, look a boy. I'm gonna go predict say find go make some money. You see a science real, but you can't make no money. We're gonna use a science to go win the lotto. That's what you go do. You see me? Not now do me. Not now do me. You better prove in science. If 2025 come, if January 1st, 2025 come, I not do me. RT boss a science real. So you have to prove your science by January 2020. Are you say it, I never mean no? Remember, you can't predict, you know. Remember, I know me say it, you know. Are you can't predict, you know. And you can predict say something going to do me before 2025. So if nothing do me by 2025, we now buy your science. Paper, me I tell you if you buying science if something do me. Me I go, if something do me by before 2025, paper, RT bar science real. The 1st of January come and nothing do me, RT bar science real. And you Swisslee, if you ever make no man call me again, me I go play vice. I'm matter of fact, me I play vice now. Me play vice now. Because people have to play. Swisslee call me and threaten me people. But, yo, tell him man to top call me name. Me play vice not me couldn't hear. Because I must think I lie. Me play. I must think I lie. Swisslee make a big top general call me. They threaten me. But I'm not afraid of them. Let me play vice not me couldn't hear. Listen.
Not the right man from, isn't it?
Yeah, man, check me. Yeah.
Friday, that's what I have to do.
Yeah. But come on, find him. Yeah.
Yeah, do something, bro. There's no doubt that's come out from me. That's all, bro.
You fuck, I am a recorder, Swisslee. You don't know, say enough to call me drunker. When I hear people, listen. When I hear, tell me if you not hear me. Record the boy. So people, one of them are check me, one of them team up together. People, remember, I know. People, one of them team up and try to get me out. People, one of them team up and try to get me out. Remember, I know, people, I'll explain to you all them and try to get me out. Real dog and squash a friend. You see me, paper? Real dog and squash a friend. And squash you, one of them are one. Alright. Swisslee, the inner the boy named JB, that I boy we gone to prison for grape. The boy grape and thief people money. And then when him there, and they must sit name. Then lock him up in a jail for much month. So the boy when him they come I one of them up squash and one of them in a house together. Say one of them a friend. You see me? One of them a friend, JB and Swisslee and Squash. And I heard Squash say, JB, one of them a one, one of them a try to get me out people. I want next one they come from, me not even get that one in a hype, because I want him today, I want him today. So if you don't call back my phone, but when you call my phone today, I threaten me. You couldn't create a whole history, a system, you can't get me out, drunker. People, listen, I play something again. Listen, I Swisslee voice. Listen. Listen, people.
Yeah, do something, bro. There's no doubt that's come out from me. That's all, bro. Yeah. Not the right man from, isn't it? Friday.
Yeah, what you say? He said to come out and find him people. Some scream recording. He said yeah, my bad up himself. You see me? One of them are threatening me. Me know, so people they know me. You see me? One of them are threatening me. They might say, yo, bro, Ray. Cause me talk record late people, you see me? Kinda talk off him out. You see me? One of them come down for me, whole town. It was sitting, one of them a come down for me, cause remember Swisslee I mind them. And they love sweets. So the whole system a come down for me, people. You see me? Elko so good people, you know see me play something already, drunker. Eh? Swisslee go mind your youth, dog shit. Dirty Swisslee go mind your youth over golf. Over mobile golf. Golf, mobile, over golf. Go mind your youth and Norwood golf. Golf, Norwood. Golf area artists I sing about. Golf. Go mind a youth over 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 dirty Swisslee. Oh, Genie record. Dirty Swisslee. Go mind a youth, drunker. Go mind a youth. Swisslee, go mind a youth. Go mind a youth. Go mind a youth, dirty Swisslee. Careless father. Why you do it for drunker? Why you do it drunker? Go mind a youth, dirty boy. Come on for me name. Pick me up a golf. Why drunker? Dirty Swisslee, go mind a youth, dog shit. Dirty culprit. Go mind a youth, culprit. Have a golf in there. Paper. I'm not telling any lie on Swisslee. Swisslee breed the girl and I'm mind you. Look how I pick me for Swisslee. A dead stamp of Swisslee that. You see me paper? That Swisslee youth. We can do DNA paper. You see if I know Swisslee youth, this a paper. On get rid of me. On cancel me. Me sure know say a Swisslee youth that. Me have proof. He have Swisslee eye. He have Swisslee mouth. He have Swisslee head. He maga like Swisslee. It's Swisslee. Look, yes, look. Now Swisslee pretty eyebrow on that. Look paper. Now Swisslee pretty eyebrow on that. Dog gonna eat that, big eat that people. Dog, me not like on the people. Every day me talk on bad man. Me not like on the youth. Dog, every day I do me this. Yeah, no bad man. Everything good. Me I go come off for life. Me I come back live bad man. Me go allow TikTok live bad man. Cause me they put myself in a problem phone. I don't know. Believe me when me talk, bro. You see me? Paper. Listen to me, paper. When boss said drop out, and me come and I say, listen to me. And family make that reach him. And he believe me until he own a family can confess to it. Only if you listen to when me talk, and me risk my freedom and my life, you know. And now believe in me, bro. You see me? Me not tell lie on paper. Me risk my freedom and my life, you know. You see me? Because yes when TikTok, when life done, you see me come off of life, a real life thing I go on. Man, I look for me to do me things. When this a life I end. So you see me come off of this a life ya youth, and end this a life ya, me have to face the consequence of everything will come out of this amount ya. Tell me, I tell you. Me blame them have to face the consequence of everything will come out of this amount ya. If you make uno know what I go on. Me they face the consequence. And me they in a problem. And me not hide the people them know me. All of them when me travel know. Swisslee know me good. Swisslee have linked to me. And me I see the consequence and the trouble I know. To entertain and make people know what I go on. So then if you believe me, me talk and help me take down the people them. Look how long me tell myself to take down Italian before you come wind up in a blouse and wig. Look how long me tell myself to take down Italian. Paper and shan that they we have it ties them for girl them when I'm a man. The girl them when I'm a man, we're gonna follow shan have a good ties them. Follow her, she just send me a kit buskitting. Gonna follow shan have a bad ties them. Gonna follow her up. Yeah. Paper. Me I tell you no paper. When if you do it right, I'm going to take down the people. Swisslee need to go down ASAP. Swisslee if you go mine in youth. We need to get a fundraiser and get a cash up. We go interview a girl with the youth. Bomba, Odien. Ocean, big up yourself, Ocean. People follow Ocean to because people are sending anything them. Big up yourself, Ocean. But me I tell no paper. We need to work, the girl will come on live and the girl will contact. So Swisslee, if I know your youth, you can sue me and sue the youth. Get a liar, Swisslee, and more you sue me if I know your youth. More you get a liar and me sure know your youth. Get a liar and come sue me. Me know say your youth that Swisslee. Me know say you cause David one I get them, you know. The brown one, you know. He look a maga boy with him cause. Him David one I get them, you know. And Swisslee David one I get them, you know. Me not turn like on them paper. Me don't need to come back and me have my money. Me don't need to come tell a lie on them waste people. Swisslee and nobody for me come here to tell lie. Who is Swisslee? Go mind your youth, drunk, dog shit. Dirty Swisslee, go mind your youth. You have transmission rebel in your house for you go mind your youth. Swisslee, me must have me trouble, you know. Swisslee, why you gonna make me run your file? Why you make me go run your file? Then you should do that. You should make me go run your file. Because you're gonna make me run your file right now. I'm gonna take you down right now. You should have gone trouble me. Where you call me phone they check me for you know some head gone. Me not busy, me give up. I'm mad out. I'm mad out, drunk, dog shit, dirty nasty Jamaica. Uno on a body, anything, uno on a body. For me not like uno neither. Uno like me, I not like uno.